Hello everyone, it's me again. Yeah, I wanted to talk to you about some stuff that I've forgotten to speak about. Let's go. Here, for instance, I want to talk about the equal sign. The equal sign is very different in programming. It's very different from the mathematics one. I want to explain you why. You will see in programming you can. Oops, I don't want to have caps at all. So you can use something like that. You can use var1 equals var1 plus 1. But you understand that var1, mathematically, it's this syntax. This is absolutely wrong. This is impossible. A number can't be this same number plus 1. This is nonsense. But this is a good syntax in programming. And in fact, that should be translated by take the value var1 here, add 1 to it, and put the result in var1 itself. In fact, I will simply add 1 to var1. So here I will print the result. Let's do this. And of course, the element %d will be var1. Okay, let's print this. In here you can see 2. That means that you can change the value over and over again by using this kind of syntax. See? Each line, it will keep the new one. Here you can see, for instance, the result will be 5. Okay, because the old one is erased or removed by this one. Okay, so this is important to notice and to talk about. So, yeah, let's go. So, now I want to talk about multiple code. In fact, if you want to do something more than once, you can use a special syntax, a special elements, and this is the while command. In fact, you can use while. You can use it that way. It's the same syntax, close to if. Here you have parentheses. Inside you have to put a condition. And here, of course, you have the 2 brackets, and you can put everything you want in it. So here I will do hello. Oops. I will do hello. Hello. Here. And inside here I will put 0. And if I put 0, nothing happens. It will never be in. If you want to put an 1 in it, it will print hello. The problem is it will never stop. You understand it? While 1 do that. That means do that. And is it true? Yes, it's true. So do that. Is it still true? Yeah, so do that, etc., etc. So it will never end. I will show you. So here you can see that the program print hello over again and again and again. So we'll stop it, force it to stop. And so this is generally not smart to do, but you can, like in if, use conditions. Here I will try to for instance, I will try to do an example, and I will use var1, and here I will use var1. So var1, I will print the value of var1, and I want to stop when, in fact, I want to print on the screen var1, and I want to print numbers from 1 to 10, and I will use var1 for that. That means that I can use var1 and give it a stop when I want. That means I can do that, and I will do var1 is equal var1 plus 1. And when do I want to stop? I want to stop when var1 is not equal to, I want to stop when var1 is equal to 11, or when var1 is not equal to 11. That means this will send true as long as var1 is not equal to 11. So I wanted to print element from 1 to 10. So why put 11 here? Because in fact it will not print 10 if it go here. So I have to put 11 in here, so it will print 10 and then stop at 11, because I know 11 is just after 10. So this, let's try to understand what will happen. So here you have var1 is equal to 1. It will go here while, okay, var1 it's 1. Is it different from 11? Yes, it is. So do this code. Print on the screen var1. So print 1 on the screen. It will appear 1. Then var1, 1, is equal to 2. Okay, so var1 will change the value and go to 2. var1 is now 2. And it will go back in the while and check again. var1, which is now 2, is it different from 11? Yes, it is. And it will go again here. And when it will be over, it will be 10. And after, it will print 10. Add 1, it will be 11. And after, it will be over. So it will stop when var1 will be equal to 11. It will go on the next line, and the program will be over. So this is the syntax. You can use different ones. I want to talk about it very shortly. So this is not equal to. This is the opposite of equal to. This is the opposite of double equal. It's exclamation mark equal. You can use some other syntax. You can use less than. You can use less than or equal to. You can use greater than, or you can use greater than or equal to. So that way you can manipulate the elements to do whatever you want. Here I want to do that, and I will show you what happened on the screen. So it will print 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. And it stopped because after it's 11. Okay, but for instance, here I made it do 1 to 10, so I will remove it and I will put a space in it, so it will be like it. And I will put the end, new line on the end of the program to make it cleaner. Let's do this. Tack, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. For instance, you can change this value and put 100 in it. This is why it is so important, because you can do repetitive stuff very easily. If you can do this for a lot of stuff, you see. So you can repeat a piece of code multiple times, and this is very, very, very useful. Very useful. So yep, this is about it, and I hope that I was clear enough, and I guess that you are a little bit better now and you start to be able to do a lot of different stuff, and yeah, I hope it will be even better for the future, and and I hope that I will participate in your achievement or something. So see you, and for the next video.